Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change battery style in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Here in the status bar, you are seeing the battery style. Battery icon is showing in horizontal position. Okay, so if you would like to change this battery style, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to notification and status bar, and here select status bar, and here select battery style, and battery style is by default set to horizontal. If you would like to use other option, click on vertical, so that battery style is now in vertical. Okay, so if you would like to change it to other style, again click on here, that is a loop. So now another style is used. Okay, circle style is used here for battery icon. Okay, if you don't want to show no icon for battery, click on don't show. So notification, battery icon is completely removed from the status bar. So in this way you can easily change battery style. I keep it in the default horizontal battery style. Okay, yes, horizontal battery style is now available on status bar of my phone. In this way you can easily change battery style in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.